Hey, young scientists! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll check your knowledge on three super important topics from your Class 5 Science: measurement, force, and energy. A quick recap on the topic, measurement. Measurement means finding how much of something there is. We measure length, mass, time, and capacity. Common tools: ruler, centimeters, meters; measuring tape, balance, grams, kilograms; stopwatch, seconds, minutes. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. A force is a push or a pull. It can move, stop, change direction, or change the shape of an object. Types of forces: muscular force, used by our muscles; magnetic force, magnets attract or repel; frictional force, opposes motion; gravitational force, pulls everything towards Earth. Energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Types of energy: light energy, from the sun; heat energy, keeps us warm; sound energy, from vibrating objects; electrical energy, from batteries or power wind; and solar energy, renewable and clean. So now that we've refreshed our minds, it's quiz time. I'll ask 30 questions. You'll get 10 seconds to think before the answer appears. 1. The standard unit of length is 2. Which instrument is used to measure time? 3. 1 kilogram is how many grams? 4. To measure the length of a classroom, we use 5. 500 milliliters equals how many liters? 6. Force can. 7. A push or pull on an object is called 8. Magnetic force acts on 9. Which force helps us walk? 10. Earth's pull on objects is called 11. Force can change 12. When we squeeze a sponge, the change is due to 13. Which force stops a rolling ball? 14. Lifting your school bag uses 15. A magnet attracts 16. The ability to do work is called 17. The main source of energy on Earth is 18. The energy we get from moving air is 19. The energy used to heat food is 20. Electric bulbs use 21. A ringing bell produces 22. The energy from the sun is called 23. Which of these is a renewable source of energy? 24. Which energy helps plants make food? 25. Energy from water is called 26. Force and energy are related because 27. Which energy is stored in food? 28. A moving car has 29. When we rub our hands, heat is produced due to 30. The unit of measuring force is How many did you get right? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science quizzes and fun learning. See you next time.